ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि योगं शिरसा गुरुन्तम्। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो, त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। भगवद गीता, थर्ड चैप्टर, on that commentary of Bhagwan Shri Dnyaneshwar Maharaj, we have been seeing. In second chapter, Bhagwan spoke or talked about Jnana Yoga, about knowledge, and he told also about Karma Yoga to Arjuna. And having listened both the different aspect Karma and Jnana Yoga, Arjuna got this question in mind, how Bhagwan is telling knowledge is superior and I should do karma. Bhagwan should tell that Arjuna, knowledge is superior, you should seek knowledge. But Bhagwan said, Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Bhagwan said, Yoga karmasu kaushalam. Then karma, Bhagwan enjoined on Arjuna. So having heard both the perspective, Arjuna said, "Oh Bhagwan, please tell me one thing which is good. Don't talk, from both sides. This is also good, that is also good." Now Bhagwan, in the response, Bhagwan says that both the things, both like Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, they are told by me. Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, though they are different, but they reach one goal. Difference is there that Bhagwan is going to talk about. So first he says, Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, these two paths are shown by me. Because two categories, two kinds of sadhakas are there. One who is ready with adhikari, perfect adhikari, sadhana chatushtay sampanna adhikari is there. Then for those people, Jnana Yoga is best. People who are not ready with Viveka, Vairagya, Shama, Dama, etc., then for those people, Karma Yoga is the best. These two paths, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, were told by me. Bhagwan says that. Shloka number 3. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Lokesmin Dvividha Nishtha Pura Prokta Maya Nagha Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam Karma Yogena Yoginam Lokesmin Dvividha Nishtha Pura Prokta Maya Nagha Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam Karma Yogena Yoginam. Loke vigraha, loke asmin द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया अनग ज्ञान योगेन सांख्यानाम कर्म योगेन योगिनाम. Vigraha, splitting the sandhis, is called vigraha. Hey Anaga, O Agha means pap. Anagha means one has never done sins. He Anagha, O sinless Arjuna, asmin loke, in this world, Sankhyanam Jnana Yogena. Those people, Sankhya, they are ready to walk on this path of knowledge. These people are called Sankhya. So such people who are fully equipped, sadhana chatushtaya sampanna Sankhyanam tesham Jnana Yogena, their path is through Jnana Yoga. Yoginam karma yogena. Here, yogi doesn't mean one who does Ashtanga yoga, Hatha yoga, etc. Here, it is yoginam means one who believes in karma, one who is not ready to understand knowledge. Such seeker, that person will be karma yogena. He will follow karma yoga and reach the same destination where Jnani has reached. Dvividha nishtha pura prokta. These two kinds of ways I have pura. In previous chapter, I have already told. So Arjuna said, tell me one. No, Bhagavan says, this both the paths are there. And why I have explained that, Jnaneshwar Maharaj will explain in his commentary. Means why Bhagavan told knowledge part and action, karma yoga together. That Jnaneshwar Maharaj will explain. So right now Bhagavan told Arjuna that both the paths are there before me, Pura. It is from time immemorial. Both the paths are there. Though they are different path, they reach only one destination. So Bhagavan says, the people who are ready, sadhana chatushtaya sampanna, those people, Jnana Yoga is there. Except all, this Karma Yoga is there. Let's go what Jnaneshwar Maharaj says. Ya bola achyuta manata se vismito अर्जुना हा ध्वनि तु अभिप्रावो या बोला अच्युतु म्हणतसे विस्मितु अर्जुना हा ध्वनि तु अभिप्रावो. So Bhagavan says, when Arjuna said that, you please tell me what is right for me, why are you confusing me, then Bhagavan was surprised. Ya bola achyutu. Ya bola, whatever Arjuna said, having heard those words, achyutu vismitu manitase, Bhagwan was surprised by these words. Because whatever Bhagwan was talking, Arjuna did not comprehend or could not understand from what perspective Bhagwan is talking. And he started accusing Bhagwan. Don't you have shame and all? Like that Jnaneshwar Maharaj explained, we saw. Arjuna ha dhvanitu abhiprao. So Bhagwan said, dhvanitu, two meanings here we can take. Dhvanitu means little bit. In nutshell, I have told you in second chapter. I told you about Jnana Yoga. In nutshell, I told you one meaning of dhvanitu. Arjuna ha dhvanitu abhiprao. Here Mama Sahib Dandekar also say, थोडक्यात अर्थ सांगितलेला आहे of dhvanitu. Dhvanitu, in nutshell, I have told you about this Jnana Yoga and Karma Yoga. Another meaning is here, dhvanyartha means deep meaning. So there is deep meaning which I have told you through Jnana Yoga, but you did not understand. That is why there is a confusion. Or both the Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, they are not different. Only the adhikari is different. So you are not right now sadhana chatushtaya maybe, that is why you didn't understand. So two meanings once again I will tell. Dhvanitu in nutshell I told you in about Jnana Yoga, or here deeper meaning I told you Arjuna, now you understand more. I told you, but you didn't understand because that was a little bit deeper. Dhvanyartha, implications were there. So now you understand it more better. Ha buddhi. Now Bhagavan Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, why Lord Krishna told or imparted Jnana Yoga? Because it was Karma Yoga, context. Bhagavan thought, let me introduce Jnana Yoga also, since the topic of Karma Yoga is going on. So, since the topic of Karma Yoga was going on, Bhagavan thought, let me introduce about Jnana Yoga also. Because sometimes when we uh, explain two comparatively, when we compare two things, that time understanding is more. For example, if you want to talk about apple. So, when you're talking about apple, instead of talking only about apple, if you bring another fruit and compare them, you will understand apple in better way. In the same way, when Bhagwan was talking about karma yoga, he thought that let me introduce jnana yoga also, because these two different paths are there. These two different paths are time immemorial, anadi siddha. So Bhagavan says, Je buddhi yoga sangata sankhya mata samstha pragatili swabhavata prasange amhi. Je buddhi yoga sangata सांख्य मत संस्था प्रगटिली स्वभावता प्रसंगे अमी. जे बुद्धि योग सांगता, I was explaining about karma yoga only, because you have come to battlefield and you have to fight the war because it is dharma. And I was talking about karma yoga. Buddhi yoga here means karma yoga. Je buddhi yoga sangata sankhya mata samstha, this sankhya yoga philosophy, knowledge philosophy pragatili swabhavata, just like that I expounded this sankhya yoga while explaining karma yoga. Prasange ami, because I thought comparative knowledge will give more idea about karma yoga. That is why I have introduced, but you got lost in jnana yoga. It's not my fault. Bhagavan didn't tell like that, but I am telling you. तो उद्देश तू नेणसीची मनोनिक्षोभलास वायाची तरी आता जाणम्याची उक्त दोन्ही. तो उद्देश तू नेणसीची मनोनिक्षोभलास वायाची तरी आता जाणम्याची उक्त दोन्ही. So you didn't understand that while explaining karma yoga. I thought let me introduce jnana yoga also little bit. तो उद्देश तू नेणसीची, this comparative learning you didn't understand, you got confused. I didn't want to make you confused, but you got confused. तो उद्देश तू नेणसीची, you didn't understand my purpose. म्हणून क्षोभला सवायाची, and you got unnecessarily, you got angry unnecessarily. क्षोभ, perplexed you are. तरी आता जाणम्याची, तरी now, तरी then now you understand. आता जाण, now you understand. उक्त दोन्ही म्याची, both the paths are shown by me. Both the paths I appreciate. Both the paths are there for different adhikari. अवधारी वीर श्रेष्ठा ये लोकिया दोन्ही निष्ठा मजची पासोनी प्रकटा अनादि सिद्धा. अवधारी वीर श्रेष्ठा ये लोकिया दोन्ही निष्ठा मजची पासोनी प्रगटा अनादि सिद्धा. अवधारी, listen, O great warrior, Veera Srestha, ye loki in this world, ya donhi nishta, both this path, मजची पासूनी प्रगटा, and they are revealed by me. They came into being by me, because of me. And Anadi Siddha. And these two parts are eternally. Eternally they are there. Not I told you so they are there. They are eternally there in our Vedas. And I also told, or I also propagated the same two paths, Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga. So don't worry. You understand why I told Jnana Yoga while explaining Karma Yoga. एको ज्ञान योग म्हणिजे, जो सांखी अनुष्ठिजे, जेथ ओळखी सवे पाविजे तद्रूपता. एको ज्ञान योग म्हणिजे, तो जो सांखी अनुष्ठिजे, जेथ ओळखी सवे पाविजे तद्रूपता. Now what is Jnana Yoga or Sankhya Yoga, and who follows that? एक one path is called Jnana Yoga म्हणिजे, one path is called Jnana Yoga. जो सांखी अनुष्ठिजे, that path. Who follows Sankhi? Sankhi, those who are fully qualified people, they go for Jnana Yoga. Kshama, Adhikari, विवेक, वैराग्य, शम, दम, उपरम, तितिक्षा, श्रद्धा, samadhan, mumukshutvam. These 9 things, if they are there, that person is fit for knowledge. Jeth olakhi save pavije tadrupata. And how this knowledge is? Path of knowledge is Jeth, where olakhi save pavije. Once you understand knowledge part, you and Paramatma are same. You understand your oneness with Paramatma. Olakhi save pavije tadrupata. Then self-realization is instant. You don't have to wait for years, because knowledge came, knowledge took place, that you are that Brahman, over. And you don't have question, because you have already Vairagya, Viveka, everything is there. So it is very easy to comprehend what Shastra is telling. Shraddha is there means you have faith in Shastra and Guru. That is called Jnana Yoga, where you listen knowledge, Shravana Manana Nididhyasan, and that's all done. You are Brahman. You were Brahman. After knowledge, you are Brahman. When knowledge was not there, still you are Brahman. You are infinite. You are not this body. You are not this mortal fellow. You are immortal principle. एक कर्म योग जाण, जेथ साधक जन निपुण, होवो निया निर्वाण पावती वेळे. एक कर्म योग जाण, जेथ साधक जन निपुण, होवो निया निर्वाण पावती वेळे. एक. On the other hand, Karma Yoga Jana, knowledge of path of action is there. Jeta Sadhaka Jana Nipuna, where sadhaka seekers practice few things over a period, practice few things and becomes perfect. Jeta Sadhaka Jana Nipuna, where sadhaka develops the basic requirement for Brahma Jnana. Prerequisite for Brahma Jnana, sadhak acquires that. And then once he get it, then he moves further. Hovo Niya Nirvana. Once he acquire all the quality through Karma Yoga, Nirvana, then he will get moksha. But it takes time to develop quality, Vivek, Vairagya, etc. Pavati, Vele, but they do get this Brahma Jnana, they do get this moksha, but it takes time because sadhaka is not well prepared. Once sadhaka is prepared, nothing is difficult. हे मार्ग तरी दोनी परी एकवटती निदानी जैसी सिद्ध साध्य भोजनी तृप्ति एकी. हे मार्ग तरी दोन्ही परी एकवटती निदानी जैसी सिद्ध साध्य भोजनी तृप्ति एकी. हे मार्ग तरी दोन्ही. तो these paths are two. Pari ekavatati nidani, but ultimately these two paths reach or end up in one destination, in one result. Though the paths may be two, but the result which we get, that is one. Example is given. Jaisi siddhya sadhya bhojani trupti eki. Jaisi siddhya sadhya bhojani trupti eki. Jaisi, example as siddhya bhojani. Food is ready. You just go and you just have to sit on the table. The food is ready. You just have to consume it. Sadhya bhojani. Food is not ready. You have to go to market, bring tomatoes, potatoes, and so many things, and come back. Cylinder has to be there. Then LPG has to be there. Everything has to be there. Then you start cutting and then cooking. And then after two hours, the food is ready. Then you eat. Now, on one side, food is already ready. On another side, you have to make everything ready and then you eat. So now you tell me, ready food eating and preparing food and then eating, will there be any difference in the taste, or will there be any difference in satiation? Both the foods, ready food or preparing food, both the foods, they are going to quench, they are going to satiate your hunger. That will be same. Like that, if you get moksha right away through qualifications, moksha only, or you start acquiring qualification, you get the moksha, still it is moksha only. Another example, because sometimes we don't cook, so we don't understand this. Jnaneshwar Maharaj says there are two rivers. One river is flowing from west, another river is flowing from east. So east and west, these two opposite rivers, they are flowing and they meet ocean. So when they meet ocean, they merge themselves in ocean. There is same result. Though one river was gushing from west, one river was flowing from east, but the destination is same. Like that, karma yoga, jnana yoga may be different, but their destination results are same. का पूर्वापार सरिता भिन्ना दिसती पाहता मग सिंधू मिळनी ऐक्यता पावती शेखी. का पूर्वापार सरिता भिन्ना दिसती पाहता मग सिंधू मिळनी ऐक्यता पावती शेखी का. Same example I already explained. Purva apara sarita. Purva east, apara west. Sarita river. Bhinna disati pahata. Oh, that river is different. This river is different. Mag. But Sindhu milani aikyata pavati shekhi. But when they meet ocean, Sindhu aikyata pavati, they are indistinguishable. Indistinguishable. तैसे दोनी ये मते सूचिति एका कारणाते परि उपासती ते योग्यते अधीन असे. तैसी दोनी ये मते सूचिति एका कारणाते परि उपासती ते योग्यते अधीन असे. तैसी, like that, just like prepared food and preparing food, they give the same satiation of hunger. Or east and west river, they give same result. Like that, taise doni ye mate, like that is two different views. Suchiti eka karanate, they give one goal only, one result only. Then why these are two? Pari upasati upasti te yogyate adhina ase. But these two paths, upastite yogyate adhina ase, these two paths, they are dependent upon yogyata, your ability. Are you ready for knowledge? Knowledge. Are you not ready for knowledge? Karma yoga. Yogyate adhina ase, it is depending upon your qualification, but the result is same only. How can you give example? Yes. देखे उत्प्लवना सरिसा, पक्षी फळासी झोंबे जैसा, सांगे नरू केवी तैसा, पावे वेगा. देखे उत्प्लवना सरिसा, पक्षी फळासी झोंबे जैसा, सांगे नरू केवी तैसा, पावे वेगा. So there is one tree. On that tree, there is one fruit, and two delegates, two seekers of that fruits are there. One is bird, another is man. So fruit is there on the top of tree. Okay. And both of them, they want fruit. So what the parrot will do? Parrot will just go and straight eat the fruit, and that's all. Can man go like parrot? No. That is the explanation here given. Dekhe utplavana sarisa, like bird straight goes, without any hindrances. So, pakshi phalasi zhombe jaisa. The bird, he pounces on that phal. Sange naru kevi taisa pave. And you tell me, can man do like that bird? Bird can straight go and pounce on the fruit. Can man go like that? Means what? A person who is ready to understand I am Brahman, he can go for knowledge straight. But person who is not ready to understand what my body is, my sense organs are, can he understand straight you are Brahman? Not. He can't understand. Even sometimes those who are qualified people, they will also have doubt that am I Brahman or not? So what to talk about those who are not ready? So a beautiful example. Utplavana sarisa, pakshi phalasi zombe jaisa. So now about unqualified person. तो हळू हळू ढाळे ढाळे, केतुलेनी एके, केतुकेनी, केतुकेनी एके बड़े, केतुलेनी एके बड़े. So it is केतुलेनी, okay. तो हळू हळू ढाळे ढाळे, केतुलेनी एके वेळे. ओ केतुकेनी, ज्ञानेश्वरी येस केतुकेनी. तो हळू हळू ढाळे ढाळे, केतुकेनी एके वेळे, मार्गाचे निबळे निश्चित ठाकी. तो हळू हळू ढाळे ढाळे, केतुकेनी एके वेळे, मार्गाचे निबळे निश्चित ठाकी. तो द पर्सन, हळू हळू, स्लोली स्लोली, ढाळे ढाळे, फ्रॉम वन ब्रांच टू अनदर ब्रांच, केतुकेनी एके वेळे, slowly from one branch to another branch, at one point, margache nibade nishchit thaki, he is going to reach to that fruit slowly, one after the other branch. When he climbs, he is going to reach that. margache nibale, and through that path, eventually he is going to reach the fruit only. Like that, Karma Yogi also first uh, he will have purity of mind, then stability of mind, and then he will listen, and that's work done. देख तैसे देख पाविहंगम मति अधिश तैसे देख पाविहंगम मति अधिष्ठुनी ज्ञानाते सांख्य सत्य मोक्षाते आकड़िति तैसे देख पाविहंगम मति अधिष्ठुनी ज्ञानाते सांख्य सद्य मोक्षाते आकड़िति तैसे लाइक दैट देखपा vihangam mate, just like that, the method of knowledge or the method of path, the method of straight going towards fruit, that direct path we can say. Adhishthuni jnanate, they understand this knowledge, they ponder upon this knowledge, and if some doubts are there, they remove those doubts, they eliminate those doubts, and they Sankhya Sadhya Moksha Te Akaliti. Sankhya people, qualified people, equipped people, Sadhya Moksha Te Akaliti. They get moksha right away. There is no waiting list for moksha. Next birth I will get, or next to next birth I will get. No. They just go to fruit, eat fruit, over. They are qualified people. Then ये रयोगी ये कर्माधारे विहिते ची निजाचारे पूर्णता अवसरे पावते होती ये रयोगी ये कर्माधारे विहिते ची निजाचारे पूर्णता अवसरे पावते होती. Here on the other hand, those who are not sadhana chatushtaya sampanna sadhakaha, those people, here other than them, karma dhare, with the help of nishkama karma, vihitechi nijachare, they will do what is vihita karma, what they are supposed to do according to their varna and ashrama. Nijachare, they will follow that. So karma yogi people, with the help of karma, they will do vihita karma, nitya naimittik karma, without expecting any result from that, and then avasare purnata pavate hoti, then they will get moksha in due course of time. Not right away, but once they are ready, then they will get it. This is how Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhagavan has answered Arjuna's query. Now, Bhagavan is going to emphasize more on Karma Yoga. So when he spoke in previous chapter, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, doubt came. He resolved that doubt, that in the flow, I told you about Jnana Yoga, so that comparative knowledge can take place with more firmity. It will be more firm. So that I told you, but you didn't understand. So now you understand, both the paths are shown by me. Both the paths get the results. Only different seekers are there. One will get right away. Another will get after some time. So today is Swami Chinmayanandaji's Jayanti, Gurudev Jayanti. I am going to sing Gurudev's bhajan. आनंदमय चैतन्यमय आनंदमय चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव चिन्मय गुरुदेव ओंकारमय ह्रींकारमय सत्कारमय गुरुदेव आनंदमय चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव वेदांतमय सिद्धांतमय शुद्धांतमय गुरुदेव आनंदमय चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव कल्याणमय कारुण्यमय करुणामय गुरुदेव चिन्मय गुरुदेव आनंदमय चैतन्यमय आनंदमय चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव ब्रह्ममय गुरुदेव शिवमय गुरुदेव ब्रह्ममय गुरुदेव कृष्णमय गुरुदेव शिवमय गुरुदेव तपोमय गुरुदेव आनंदमय चैतन्यमय आनंदमय चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव चिन्मय गुरुदेव ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलीक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय। माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय। सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम